Deep in the heart of the Karakum Desert, a mysterious and mesmerizing fire has been burning for over half a century. Locally known as Garagum Ýalkymy, or the Karakum Glow, this natural wonder has become one of Turkmenistan's most iconic landmarks. The story begins in 1971, when Soviet geologists were drilling for natural gas reserves in the Derweze region. During the operation, the ground beneath their equipment collapsed, forming a massive crater approximately 20 meters deep and 60 meters wide. Toxic methane gas began leaking from the opening. Fearing environmental disaster, scientists made a bold decision. They set the gas on fire, hoping it would burn off within a few days. But the fire never stopped. To this day, the crater continues to burn, earning it the nickname the Door to Hell. Today, Garagum Ýalkymy attracts thousands of visitors from around the world. As the sun sets, the glowing flames rise 10 to 15 meters into the desert sky, creating a surreal and unforgettable sight. Located about 270 kilometers from Ashgabat, Turkmenistan's capital, and roughly 90 kilometers from the village of Yerbent, the site offers a unique journey into nature, science, and mystery. How to get there? While the remote location of Garagum Ýalkymy may seem daunting, getting there is easier than ever. Visitors typically fly into Ashgabat, the capital city of Turkmenistan, which is well connected by international flights. From Ashgabat, you can take a scenic 4 to 5 hour drive through the vast Karakum Desert to reach the site. The road journey provides an incredible opportunity to experience Turkmenistan's stunning desert landscapes, stretching as far as the eye can see. If you're visiting Ashgabat, be sure to explore the city as well, known for its striking white marble buildings, modern architecture, and fascinating museums that showcase Turkmen culture and history. Turkmenistan also has a variety of unique and ancient sites, such as the ancient city of Merv and the Caspian Sea coast, offering travelers a diverse and rich experience. In 2013, Turkmen scientists, together with Canadian experts, conducted an expedition to the bottom of the crater using heat-resistant equipment. There, they discovered bacteria capable of surviving in extreme heat and oxygen-deprived conditions. This discovery is significant for astrobiology, as it provides insights into how life might survive on other planets with harsh environments. Studies continue today as Garagum Ýalkymy remains a hotbed for scientific research, offering crucial data on extreme life forms and the potential for life beyond Earth. Beyond the mysterious Garagum Ýalkymy, the country is home to a rich history, blending ancient traditions with modern development. The Silk Road, the ancient trade route that connected China to Europe, passed through Turkmenistan, leaving behind a legacy of architectural wonders like the ancient city of Merv, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Turkmenistan's nature is also truly unique. From the vast Karakum Desert to the Caspian Sea and the majestic Kopet Dağ Mountains, the country is filled with breathtaking landscapes. With its vibrant music, traditional dances, and rich cuisine, Turkmenistan stands out as one of the most distinctive and culturally influential places in Central Asia. If you want to immerse yourself in the desert and beyond, there are more wonders waiting for you in Turkmenistan. The country is also home to the Yangikala Canyon, often referred to as Turkmenistan's Grand Canyon, which offers stunning red and white cliffs. The Nisa Ruins, another UNESCO World Heritage Site, provides a glimpse into the ancient Parthian Empire, once one of the world's most powerful empires. Garagum Ýalkymy is not just an endlessly burning crater. It's a symbol of Turkmenistan's raw natural power and a beacon for those drawn to mystery and exploration. We are excited to bring you more English language content about Turkmenistan. In future videos, we'll uncover more hidden gems, share travel tips, and dive deeper into the country's rich heritage. If you enjoyed this video, we invite you to subscribe to our channel, where we'll be sharing more English language content about Turkmenistan, its natural wonders, unique traditions, and hidden stories. Stay tuned for more amazing explorations of this fascinating country, from its ancient treasures to its modern marvels. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends. Let the world discover the beauty of Turkmenistan. Thank you for watching.